This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome back, students. Now we are going to see how we are going to update the routing table dynamically. So dynamically, in the previous example, we have seen how we can update the routing table manually, that is static. So now we are going to see how we are going to update the routing table dynamically. So the routing table will be updated dynamically. So first thing, we are going to see how we are going to simulate the RIP protocol, RIP. Okay. So I'm taking the same network which we designed for static manual, static routing. So the same thing. So we have a LAN 1, which is in the series of 10, and LAN 2, which is in the series of 12, and we have a WAN, which is in the series of 11. So everything I have placed this devices, I have made the connections between them, I have given the IP address, even I have displayed the IP address for your easy understanding. So such that, so for this PC the IP is 10.0.0.2, so this is 3, and here if you come here for this PC 6 it is 12.0.0.2, and for PC 7 it is 12.0.0.3. So for this connections, so in router for this connection the value is 12.0.0.1, and here it is 11.0.0.2, and for router 2 it is 11.0.0.1 and 10.0.1. so this is the IP address. So now how we can make the routing table updated uh, dynamically. So I am going into the router. So if you go to the router, again you can see there are two things, one is static and another one is RIP. So in RIP, here what you have to enter is that you have to enter what are all the various networks in which these two devices, the router is connected with. For example, this router is connected with the 10 series and this router is connected with 11 series. So you have to enter only those two things. But before that, I will show you how you can see the routing table. Okay, so how you can see the routing table of a router. So for that, the command is show IP route. Okay, the command is show IP route. So if you give the command, see here, now you can see the value here. This is the routing table. Okay, this is the routing table for the router 2. So if it tells that we have some index, that is C, which means connected. Connected is nothing but it is directly connected with. So now it is directly connected with. So 10 series, and through the interface fast Ethernet 00. So this is what this router connected to this LAN 10.0.0.0 through the interface fast Ethernet 00, and here it is again connected with the 11 network through the serial port 000. So this is the initial routing table, because now it was connected, we have not made any changes. So now we are going to this RIP. Now I'm saying this particular router is connected with the network 10, and it is connected with the network 11. Okay, it is connected with this network series 10.0.0.0, and it is connected with 11.0.0.0. Done, we have done with. See, if you see here parallelly, when I made the, I have used the graphical user interface for your easy understanding, but through the command line interface, CLI mode, we can type. So for the command is router RIP. So we are saying we are going to use the routing protocol RIP, and this particular router, it knows the network 10 and 11. So this is our command line interface. So don't worry about this now, just concentrate on this graphical user interface. So now we have these two added. Now I have to go for the second one. Again, for your easy understanding, first I will show you what is a routing table, show IP route. See again, for this, router, it says that it is directly connected with 11 and 12. So it is directly connected with 11 and 12, and there is no information about the network 10. So now I have to go for the config. I'm going for the config. I'm selecting RIP. I'm seeing here it is connected with the network 11. So add, and then it is connected with the network 12. So I have made these two connect. This is what we have to do for the RIP configuration. If you want to use the RIP protocol for updating the routing table of your router, we have to use these two configurations. So now we will go here. Now we will go for the command line interface. So again, actually this is in specific configuration mode. So I have to come out of it. So now I'm executing the command show IP route. See here, now the routing table is updated automatically. So we can see all the three networks 10, 11 and 12. So all the three are updated. This is how the routing information protocol will update the routing table automatically. We have not entered any details about this 12, but it is updated in the router. So likewise, we will check the other router also. So we'll go for the command line interface. Again, we have to come out because it is in the configuration mode. So I'm giving the command show IP route. See here, now it is updated. So now we will try to check whether the node can communicate with the other node. So I'm giving the command, for example, 12.0.0.3. So I'm getting a proper reply so that the node from LAN 1 is connected with LAN 2. So this is all about RIP protocol. That is the updation of the routing table dynamically by using the RIP protocol. This is all about the simulation for RIP in Cisco Packet Tracer.